Namaskar, stand to students. In our last video class, we have noted down the question answers of chapter 7, question number 1. Now we are starting from question number 2. State true or false. Okay. Question number 2. State true or false. 2a. 2a. You cannot change the size of font in Wattpad. It is saying you cannot change the size of Wattpad. It is false. Number B, we can type a letter on Wattpad. We can type a letter on Wattpad. Now C. Question number C is spell checking is not available in the Wattpad. Spell checking CHECKING is not available on the Wattpad. Spell checking is not available on the Wattpad. Okay. Now see question. First one, you cannot change the size of the Wattpad. You cannot change the size of font in Wattpad. Okay. You cannot change the size of font. That means that whatever we write, the size of our written text we cannot change. That what it is saying. But it is false because we can change. Before starting, we can set the size. Even whatever we write, after finishing our writing, we can change our the size of our writing also. Okay. Now, question number B. We can type a letter on Wattpad. I think it is a spelling mistake. It is a mistake because it should be that we can type any letter on Wattpad. A letter is not okay. If the sentence written as that we can type a letter, that means one letter, which is false. Even if it is saying that we can type a letter on Wattpad, that if it is saying that a specific word or specific letter only we can type, which is also false. Okay, but if it is saying we can type as I think it is a mistake, it should be any letter, then it is true. Okay, it is not A, it is any letter on Wattpad, then it is true. Spell checking is not available on Wattpad. It is correct because spell checking is available on MS Word, but it is not available on Wattpad, even not available in Notepad. True. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is complete the word. W number B number C Now number D. Number D. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now see these fill up. Number 1 W O R D E A D. Number B T double O L B A R, toolbar. Number C D O C U M E M T, document. And number D P R I M P I N G, printing. Number A W O R D. Question number 3A W O R D E A D, waterpad. Number B T double O L B A R, toolbar. Number C D O C U M E N T, document. And number D P R I N T I N G, printing. Okay, so these are your CW and HW both at once. In our next class we will continue from next question. Till then, namaskar all standard students.